How to change email of your Discord account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can unlink the email of your Discord account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to unlink the email of your Discord account, you'd first need to verify your current email address. So open the Discord app and come to the profile tab from the bottom right, and then you want to go to the option that says account. Once you go to the account option, here you can find the option called email. You just need to tap on it, and as you can see, it says first to verify your email. So I'll just send the verification code over here. Now I'll go ahead and then open up my mailbox and then check whether or not I have received a specific verification code from Discord. So I'll log into my Gmail. I'll refresh it a couple of times until I see the Discord email, and as you can see over here, I have the code as well. So I'll just go ahead and then copy this code. I'll come back to my previous tab and then I'll paste that specific code. Now I'll tap on the next button. Now I want to verify my new email address. So over here we have to enter the new email address that you want to use. So previously I had Gmail. Now I'll switch to Hotmail and let's see what happens. Now I'll tap on the change email button and it will ask me to verify with my password. So I'll also go ahead and then do that. Once I enter my password, I'll just tap on the done button. Now it will also send a code to my new email. So I'll just go ahead and select the option called resend email. Now what you will do is you'll come back to your email tab and then log into that specific email on which you want to change to. Refresh it a couple of times until you see the email from Discord over here. If you do not see, then just try to switch to also the different types of options. Now you can see I have the verification email. I just need to tap on verify email option in order to successfully change my email on Discord. Now as you can see, I have successfully changed my email on Discord. That's all it takes to change the email of your Discord account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.